Hey everybody, Thomas Vanderkin, Global Account Manager from Lenovo. Back again, got another unboxing video. This time it's the Lenovo Tab M10 Full HD tablet. So a little bit different. Usually I do PCs, did a couple phones. This one's actually a tablet from Lenovo. Some of our corporate customers are very interested in getting these for retail or a hospital environment or something like that. So that's why I've got them. Some of my customers are starting to get interested in these. Very low cost, entry-level devices. This one I think is listed at like $179. Great price for a tablet, great functionality. So let's go ahead and start opening this up and we'll talk a little bit more about it. So like a lot of our devices, this one has the Qualcomm processor. This one has the Snapdragon 450 processor. There's actually one that's a little bit more entry level than this even. You can get in the low 100s, which has a Snapdragon 200 series. So this one has the Snapdragon 450 in it. And it's also full HD. So hopefully you guys following along at home know, I think it's a 1920 by 1200 display. So it's going to be a little bit nicer display also. So we'll open this up. As we think about tablet devices, of course, everybody thinks of iPad as the leader in this area, which of course they've got a great app store, but this is going to benefit everybody on Android. It's going to have USB-C charging, which is pretty much the default now for most devices. Let's take a look at that. So here on the bottom, USB-C. It's got a headphone jack, which is great. It's got volume and power on the top, and then on the side it's got a little docking option for it also. So let's go ahead, we'll turn this on, and here we go. What was on the top? There we go. Turn this on, let it boot for a second. While it boots, I'll show you what else is in the box. So we've got a spacer here, some materials. Here in the US, so it comes with a US power adapter, and then of course just a standard USB-C to USB charging cable. So it's basically gets the job done device. It's going to be great for anything, including any games on the App Store or in a corporate environment, like I said, running any of your corporate apps from the App Store. So that's it. It's just a quick introduction to a really inexpensive way to get an Android tablet from Lenovo. Again, it's the Tab M10 Full HD tablet. So that's it. Thanks for joining. We'll catch you guys next time. Bye, everybody.